ready for this? Okay. Have you ever been on the tram?
Yeah.
You have?
Bang.
Hello? Trying to get through. How do you feel today?
I feel good. How do you feel?
Good. How do you feel today? I feel scared. Keaton, how do you feel? They're here. They made it safe. Bro, stop. It's one small step for man, one large leap for mankind. How do you feel? Terrified. How do you feel? Great. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh.
We gotta get the GoPro back.
Alrighty, everyone. Just a couple important things before we get started. My name is Aspen. I will be your cabin operator as we make our way up the mountain. You are leaving an elevation of 6,559 feet and are arriving at an elevation of 10,378 feet. That's 4,000 feet in vertical incline in just 15 minutes, which means if you do start to feel a little unwell, just let me know, okay? It's fine. Nothing to be embarrassed about. So, I will be giving a speech as we make our way up. You guys can listen to it. You cannot listen to it. Either way, I get paid, so it's okay.
There you go.
Yeah, you can learn new information. If not, if you've already been on it before, have you guys been on the tram before?
Yeah.
You have? This is my first time, so.
This is my first time.
Tower number 1 stands at 232 feet and it leans at an 18-degree angle towards the city. There is going to be a slight swing and sway as we make our way over it. Nothing too bad, just enough to keep the journey interesting. This is good.
Whoa.
Are those things moving?
We are. Tram in the Western Hemisphere, continual tram. We used to be the longest in the world for 44 years, but Armenia beat us out about 10 years ago. It's gonna look like we're getting pretty close to these rocks right here. It's because we are, yeah. There's only 4 feet of clearance between us and them. A nice tight squeeze. Slight swing and sway right here. Woo! People in the front, you're gonna experience a dip in just a moment.
I want to go to the front. We're almost there.
Sorry, dropped my keys. Sorry. I screamed because I was afraid I was going to hit him. But love taps coming up as we come into these bumpers. Nothing bad. Down in the line for trees. Keep an eye on the lines. We only take 45 people up in our cabin. Let's see, we already have a large number of people. Alrighty, everyone. I hope you have a great time on top of the Sandias. Thank you.
This is my 4th time riding on a train.
How was the tram ride?
Good. How do you feel about that tram ride?
It was so scary.
That's from me.
That's great. And this stuff comes off like the top of the mountain. That came out from like the ground over there. All this used to be underwater back in the day.
Dance, dance. Oh, look at that dance.
This video, oh my gosh, that looks like an ocean for a second. Yeah, out there.
Shiloh, how do you feel about that tram ride?
I didn't get to see out the window.
Taking the
I heard Carmen say this earlier, leave nature the way it is, okay? So look at the nature, but you don't need to be touching anything or picking anything up. That's very important. We're going to divide up into cabin groups now, okay?
We travel this way.
snack time. We got 20 minutes before we got on the tram.
I'm not gonna smile for the camera right now.
Right now we're walking back. We had a nice walk down because it was all downhill. But now we gotta walk back uphill and we're running a little bit late. So hopefully we can catch the tram. Hopefully we make the tram. We can see it from here. Looks like we made it. Yeah. But finish up your...
You know where you're going. Thank you so much for joining us today at Sandia Peak Tramway. I hope you guys had a great time. You'll be exiting the doors opposite of myself.
All right, we made it off.
Bye.
Bye.